Good morning, children. In our previous period, we have seen naming words. The meaning of naming words is name of everything around us. That is called naming words. And we also saw two types of naming words, that are common names and special name. In common names, we saw that a particular group has one single name. Okay. And in special names, we saw that a particular name is used for particular person, animal, place and thing. Understood? In special names, we can also include the names of days of week. See, names of the days of week. The days of week are also we can write in capital letter because they are special names. For example, Sunday. Sunday, Monday, week has 7 days and all they have their own names. Then, names of festivals. We celebrate so many festivals like Diwali, Eid, Dashera, Holi, all their festivals are different and they have their own name, that is special name. Okay. So names of rivers. Rivers also have different names like us, and here I have given example of Ganga river. So we have to write the name of this festival, river and the name of days in capital letter. Okay. So children, in your textbook I am going to show you. See here. You can see, if you have page, open your page number 11. You can see it is lesson number 2, naming words. And what are the naming words? See, here a girl was riding her horse across a field. Here all the names don't have any name. A girl, that means that girl have no name. Okay, that is a girl, but her name is not mentioned. So that is common name. Okay. The horse jumped over a fence, the girl fell off and hurt her arm. Understood? So all these are common names here. Okay, last see, you can see everything around us has a name. These names are called naming words. The next page 12. You have to fill in the blanks. No. Common names, you have to match each naming word with picture below. Okay, so different pictures are given to you and names are given to you. You have to match that. See here, last I am going to read is names for people, places, animals and things are called common names. That means names for so many peoples together, so many places, animals and things together have some particular name, and that is called common names. Next, this page, it is practice. We have to write the names by selecting from that given helpline. Understood? So you can do this. Page number 14. It is also same. Here the group is given to you. There are so many fruits, the animals, and that is place. You have to write here, but forget the names, that is name of person, place, animal, and here things you have to write. In next one, some pictures are given to you and you have to complete that paragraph, okay, by looking at that picture. Understood? Next topic is special names. As I have explained you that the name of particular person, place, that is called special names. And see here, you can see, read the story. Last Sunday, so this is the day of week and that's why it is written in capital letter. Sally, it is also name of girl, that is also written in capital letter. And Sam is also name of boy. Visited Uncle Joe's farm in Newtown. All these are particular name of person, place and day of week, and that's why all are written in capital letter. Okay. Then Sally ran to meet the horses Silver and Coco. These are also the two names of horses, and that's why they are written in capital letter. Okay, children. So in the same way, by reading this, you have to fill in the blanks in next exercises. Understood? Now next I am going to read is some people, places, animals and things have special names. Okay. Some people, places, animals, they have particular name. The names of the days of week are also special names. As I explained you, the name of days of week, a name of festivals, a name of rivers, they also are special names, and we have to write them in capital letters. Okay. So this exercise is also based on the same this. Understood? I will send you afterward, you can complete it. This special names, all these are special names, you have to write it in capital letters. And here those which are common names you have to underline, and special name you have to circle that. Okay. So next topic is he and she. In brief, I am going to explain you he and she words. He and she words. Page number 21. Okay. So children, what do you mean by he and she words? He and she words. He and she means, he means masculine gender. He means a boy and she means a girl. So the names related to that she are, they all are feminine. She means grandmother, mother, auntie, then maybe sister. All these are feminine gender. And he means father, grandfather, uncle. Okay. All these are masculine gender. Children, it is not that he and she are in he and she. It is not that only in people we can say that he and she. We can identify the gender he and she. But in animals also they have this type of gender, masculine and feminine. For example, I am writing, see, he, boy, see here, boy, we can write here girl, okay, mother, so feminine gender of mother is father, okay, then here grandmother, oh sorry, this is not, here father, P-H-E-R, father, here mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. Now next is grandfather, here we can say grandmother. Then here he, uncle. You and see here uncle, we can see here aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay. So son means ladka and daughter means ladki. Okay. In the same way, in animal also we can say, for example, we can say cock. So the feminine gender of cock is hen. मुर्गी मुर्गा, है ना, लड़का लड़की, आंटी अंकल. Okay. The grandfather, grandmother, your mother, father, boy, girl. Now next is peacock. C-O-C-K, peacock. Here, peahen. Peahen. Next is lion. Lion is masculine gender, and L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. Okay, lioness is feminine gender of lion. Okay, understood, children? So it shows you the gender, and by looking at these words, we can identify whether it is girl or boy. Okay. So for example, if I want to say the name Ram, we can identify that he is a boy, so that is he. Okay. And that Sita, she is a girl, so we can say her feminine gender. Understood? So in this way, we can write he and she name. So in your book, you can see page number 21. See, it is given to you. Father takes Tina to the hospital to meet someone. Okay, this is my brother. Says mother, you are a big sister. See, mother and sister, they are feminine gender. Brother is masculine gender. Here, we are two boys and girls in our family. These boys are masculine gender and girls are feminine gender. Understood? So, by reading this, you have to fill up this exercise. So, last I am going to read that grandfather, father, brother, boy, man, lion and peacock are he words. And grandmother, mother, sister, girl, women, lioness and peahen are she word. Okay. ही वर्ड shows you masculine gender. ही में क्या बताता है? वो लड़के लोग हैं. ओके. एंड she words मतलब क्या होता है? वो हम लड़कियां हैं. वो सारी लड़कियां हैं. ये हमें she इन सारे वर्ड से पता चलता है. ये सिर्फ हम लोगों में ही नहीं होता है, बट इन बर्ड्स एंड इन एनिमल्स में भी हम लोग ये बता सकते हैं he and she words. Understood? So children, see you. We have completed here he and she words and our special names and common names. Okay, see you soon.